5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Old means having lived or being in existence for a long period, or no longer young. Stop. It can also be thought of as an age nearing or surpassing the usual life expectancy and thus nearing the end of human cycle. Stop. It can lead to negativism, especially for those persons who have been in high positions and think they can no longer be in a commanding position, which they enjoyed for years. Stop. In other words, no longer needed. Stop. There are several terms used to express it. Stop. Old people, the elderly, old age pensioner, senior citizen, older adults and the elders. Stop. It is difficult to define, although most countries set the retirement age after 60 years, it could be 62 or 65 years. Stop. This age is also a prerequisite for availing senior social programs. Stop. Old age is often associated with loneliness and you feel neglected or discarded. Stop. Some feel that they are not getting the same respect as before. Stop. To add to it, people of this age often have limited regenerative properties and become more susceptible to many minor and major illnesses, which further dampens their morale. Stop. Para. It is a period of mixed feelings. Stop. Looking out of the window or while aimlessly walking on the road, you sometimes see young women and men rushing to their workplaces in a continuous stream. Stop. Happiness brimming on their faces. Stop. It reminds you of the old days when you were in the same boat. Stop. Going out every day and sitting in sunshine during winters or in shade during summer is a good way of getting over loneliness. Stop. It works wonders for emotional health. Stop. Sunshine is a mood booster and also a good source of vitamin D, which is deficient in many of us. Stop. Getting old is preordained. Stop. It is a part of the life cycle. Stop. It can be associated with negativism if not taken in proper stride. Stop. Instead of brooding over it, it is advisable to look at its positives, like the freedom you get from worldly chores. Stop.